Hey guys, it's Beth. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a fidget spinner from Giant Eagle. Let's begin. So here's what it looks like unboxed. Pretty nice weight. Not too heavy, not too light, like medium weight. It's $7.99 at Giant Eagle. It may vary in this places you guys live, but primary comes in black, which is this color. I have yellow and white. Now to review, like I said, the weight isn't that much, it's like in the middle. The thing in the where you hold it is a little loose, that's understandable. Spin test, spins pretty smoothly. Only problem is the sound you hear from the weight bearing in the middle because of the things where you hold it is pretty loose, easy to stop. Yeah, that's basically it for the review part. You can get it at Giant Eagle, Walmart, some Walmarts, Five Below, Walgreens, and Amazon. Now, some places where you go, like 7-Eleven, may not have them, so go to your local Walgreens, or just buy one on Amazon if you don't have close enough to Giant Eagle to go find one. Let's have some fun and spin it. That was fun. Good. Dang, bye.